investigations. Unfortunately, what we got going on is a huge blunder by FloraFlex. I mean, ginormous. This is absolutely horrible. So they have stopped catering to the individual world, and they are now only commercially catering. So yes, you can no longer get your individual boxes of FloraFlex Coco from FloraFlex. You can only buy like 148 count of their 6x6 cubes. That's the minimum. You can still order their nutrients for, by a small amount, but you cannot order Coco, and you can't order boxes of Stonewall by smaller amounts at all anymore. Not only that, but they have totally removed the ability for you to build your own system with their products and then them put it together and ship it to you. This was a huge selling point for FloraFlex, so unfortunately I'm going to have to give FloraFlex the big giants thumbs down and call them a FloraX.